Our gold has reached 3398.97, a supply zone area here around this area of resistance, after the price has formed a bullish breakout here above 3355.61, and it has been confirmed with the next candle with the small bearish candle. Yesterday the price has gone from this area of support 3355.61, confirmed as a previous resistance, now acting as a support. The price has gone all the way back up and reached a supply zone around this area of resistance. Yesterday I have mentioned that I am expecting that the price will try to move higher, and I have even sent an information inside the premium analysis what are the entry levels after the price has formed a bullish breakout, what is the target level, and the price has reached the target level, which has a successful trade from yesterday from the premium analysis. Feel free to check the link below if you would like to join other traders to receive these premium updates. Now, after the price has reached this area of resistance, we can see the price is currently moving slightly down, which is normal when the price comes to the supply zone or demand zone. In this case, it is a supply zone where the sellers are waiting, and also the buyers that have pushed the price from this area of support 3314, they have exited their trades right now very close to this area of resistance, and then the price is dropping slightly down. You can see that the price did not manage to reach 3398.97, and this is something that I always mention, that if you would like to get out from the trades, get out before the price reaches this area of resistance, in this case resistance, because the price potentially could retrace before reaching this area of resistance, especially this price level. It is the best to exit before entering the supply zone, so that you are on the safe side. For example, if you have not exited from your buying trade, now you are losing your profits, which could be all better to lock the profits immediately before the price reaches the supply zone, and then exit from your trades, so you are currently outside from this retrace back down. Yesterday the price has done this bullish breakout. We can see that a pretty strong volatility has been formed here on the 4-hour time frame, and after that the price could not manage to go below this area of support for several 4-hour time frames. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, the price could not manage to go below 3371.21, and then finally continued to rise in value. And we can see how the price has behaved yesterday. If you have watched my analysis yesterday, I have made the analysis around this area here when the price was forming a bullish breakout above this area of resistance, and then acting as a support, and then the price continued to rise in value. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see how the price has behaved. We can see that the price was stuck inside this small range area between 3371 and 3379, and finally this bullish candle has managed to close above the open and close price of these candles. Now you can see it was a small signal that the price will continue to move up, trying to make a bullish breakout, and we can see this strong bullish candle has made another bullish breakout above this area of resistance. After that the price returned back down slightly, 2 bearish candles, and then again bullish candle that has engulfed the previous one candle, which is also a signal that the price will continue to rise in value. Now you can see the price has reached this area of resistance, currently moving slightly down, and we can see where the price currently is heading. It's currently heading slightly down, and we will see how the price far could go. Now, how the currently looks, it looks that the price is retracing back down from this area of supply zone of this area of resistance. This means that the price could return back down, making a retrace and bounce, but how far? On the daily time frame, this is the price where the price will try to move, and this is around 3379. We can round that number, 3379. On the 4-hour time frame, 3379 is around here. It is 3379. This is right here where these wick stop are located. So 3379 is the next bearish target for the price. On the 1-hour time frame, we can see that 3379.03 is that resistance level, currently acting as a support. It was preventing the price from reaching higher price levels. It was a resistance. Now it will act as a support, and you can see where the price will try to reach. This will be around 3380.18, but very close to this area of support, 3379. It is a demand zone around this area of support. So we can see that currently the price is forming a bearish candle right below 3385.31. it is making bearish breakout, which is indication of the further decline in value potentially. So this is something that I will share with the traders inside the premium analysis when this candle closes, and what is the target, what is the entry level. So feel free to check the link below in the description and join other traders. Now for the rest of the day, we will see how the price will react around this area of support. Will it make a bearish breakout going further down, which very important support level will be 3371.21. If the price manages to come here, it will be a pretty strong buying pressure because of this strong bullish small trend, which will prevent the price from reaching lower levels. So we need to pay attention in the next 1 hour and in the next 4 hours how the price will react around this area of support, first of all on the 4-hour time frame, and after that this one if the price continues to lose its value. Now I will monitor this one on the 1-hour time frame, how the price is behaving, and then share other traders with details. Feel free to check and join other traders. For the daily analysis, we can see that the price is trying to make a retrace. Then we will see will the price manage to continue to rise in value, reaching again the daily resistance 3398.97, or it will drop down again to the area of support. So for now, it is very important to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance and this small support, because the price needs to make a bullish breakout going above, continue to rise in value, or bearish breakout going below. Bullish breakout above this area of resistance and the bearish breakout below in order to continue to lose its value. So it's very important to go step by step, follow the market, and then react and act accordingly, waiting for a bullish or bearish breakout and then opening an orders. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.